Muthikiriria na muroreri wa Pacific Coast Television ndakugeithia na muthenya wa muthe ndoka gucera guku gwa Champions Real Estate kuria tugucemania na mutumia wetagwo Grace Wamwere na niwe ukoragwo CEO na ndoka niguo muthikiriria na muroreri tata gutaro na kwirwo uria tungeta kwigwatira nyumba guku mwena wa America.
Champions Real Estate Company ni kambuni iri gatofuruni wa America hari wendia wa nyumba ciakitwo na mwakire wa kiriu. Ni makuhete mweke waku we muikari wa America kwigera na nyumba yaku kiumbe. Kiariwa Prestige ni acerete kambuni ino akagea na umenyo mwingi wigie wendia wa nyumba na niwe uharirie riboti ino. Madam Grace Wamwere murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino ya Champions Real Estate akoretwo wira-ini uyu kwa makiria ma miaka 18 na kwoguo ari na uge mwingi no utaramu wa kirathi kia iguru hari wendia wa nyumba America. Amungirora imwe cia nyumba iria arendia ni kirorerwa ni iri na mwakire na mucaro wa kuguciriria maitho.
Ni tutagite for a very long time. Already have kiambiriria-ini kambuni ni koretwo ko for 20 years. I've been koretwo ngiruta wira for 18 years.
18 years. Riu ni njui he ciuria ciicokagira.
Yes.
No ciguangite na andu aria wendagiria ira ne magurire kana matiagurire. Kana andu make inquiries.
Yes.
He ciuria iria ciicokagira muno.
Niguo.
Ino rikane ciuria imwe iria uragio muno ni customers yaku.
Most people are afraid of credit, and others are afraid of income. Others are afraid of how much they'll be paying a month, but we're here to help them and let them know it's possible.
Mutaratara wa uguri wa nyumba ni muhuthu ta uria aratariria.
Yes, we help people own their own homes, own American trips, and what we require is you have a job, and then you have a good credit score, and then we have in-house lenders who do a wonderful jobs, and they strictly deals with a community that are looking to have homes, not just one home. And we work on people who have 620 credit score and above. Even the people who don't have good credits, we also help them so we can make sure they own homes.
Nakio kiuria o yothe ngikorwo nakio kigie uguri wa nyumba utari mukinyaneru Grace Wamwere ni egukuhe.
Yari kiuria kingi ningi njigua muno ngiuria ni ati is this the best time ya kugura nyumba? Ati mahinda maya ri ni mumega ma kugura nyumba? No mwirori wakwa reke ngwire hurira thimu na nigucokeria kiuria kiu.
Naratulire ati mundu o wothe no wegere nyumba ona akorwo credit score yake ni mucoketi na thutha ni eguguteithiriria. Mutaratara wa kuigera nyumba ino no thikũ 30 tu ugakorwo igwaku mucii. Eno wabici county tiganite Washington State na no warie nake kwetukana namba yake ya thimu nio 425-931-0713 na kumena wa Federal Way eno wabici 32700 Pacific Highway South Suite 2 Federal Way Washington 98003 na kumena wa Everett County 1723 100th Place Southeast Suite A Everett Washington 98208 na kumena wa Edmonds eno wabici Iriari 525 5th Avenue South Suite 101 Edmonds Washington 98020. No mutumire email kuhetukira wamwere.homes@gmail.com kana share rurenda-ini rwoneruo www.nwchampions.com. Champions Real Estate, home of endless possibilities.